machine room for this elevator. Well, we all know this elevator. That's right. This is the parking elevator at Macy's, Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This was a Dover traditional modded by Kone in the late 2010s or early 2020s. Really like that blue indicator. Here it is. Let's go to the other two parking levels and then L. Wave high.
Going up.
Looks like P2 is yellow. Looks like P2 is a yellow color. Here we're at P1. Hopefully there's no one here.
Parking level P1. Going up.
Blue. There's P1. L. We'll go back down to P3. If no one is here.
Lobby going down.
Good. I'm not going to show you the lobby because of security reasons. Trying to get a good view of the indicator without pointing out the security camera. Here we are at P3. Let's watch the button go out.
Parking level P3.
And P3 is green. I'm on it up at G. Here we are at G, and that's it.